This mini PC eats gaming laptops for breakfast. AtomMan G7T with RTX 4070 is unreal. You ever stare at your PC and feel personally attacked by how slow it's running? That irritating lag, the soul-crushing boot times, the frame drops that make you question life mid-battle? Yeah, we've all been there, sitting in front of a glorified toaster pretending it can handle modern gaming or creative workloads. Whether you're editing massive video files, rendering 3D models, or trying to clutch in Warzone while your fans scream like a dying vacuum, you deserve better. Your ambition is fire, but your setup? Kinda ice cold, and not in the good way. You're ready for power, not problems. Now crank that stress dial to 11. You're up against killer deadlines. Your streams crash. Your edits glitch out. You hit render, and the system wheezes like it's inhaling its last bite. Every wasted second costs you views, gigs, sanity. Meanwhile, the competition is flying past on RTX-fueled setups, and you're left rage refreshing the task manager. You're not burned out because you're lazy, you're burned out because your gear isn't built to keep up. And let's be real. Your gaming laptop is more like a gaming liability at this point. Say hello to the AtomMan G7T gaming mini PC, the mini beast that makes full-tower desktops feel insecure. This sleek RGB-lit monster comes locked and loaded with a 24-core Intel Core i9-14900HX CPU, an NVIDIA RTX 4070 graphics for ultra-smooth 4K gaming, and AI-powered content creation. Think lightning-fast 7000 MB per second PCIe 4.0 SSD support, Wi-Fi 7, DDR5 up to 96 GB, and a dual-fan ColdWave Pro cooling system that actually knows how to chill. No lag, no heat panic, just raw, unfiltered performance packed into a footprint smaller than your sneaker. Whether you're editing cinematic footage, conquering AAA games, or deep in your next coding marathon, this mini PC flexes hard. It's designed for gamers, creators, and professionals who refuse to settle. Dual DDR5 RAM support boosts multitasking, while USB 4 and HDMI 2.1 serve buttery 8K output. And yeah, it's barebone, so you can build it your way. The RGB lighting? Fully customizable to match your vibe. Tap into intelligent mode switching to shift from battle mode to business mode in seconds. It's not just powerful, it's personal. Don't sleep, units are flying off the shelves faster than your old PC boots up. Join thousands already leveling up with AtomMan G7T and finally experience the no-compromise performance you've been craving. Ready to win? Ready to build your throne? Click now, customize your rig, and let the G7T turn your gaming den or workspace into a performance paradise. Act fast, because the future waits for no one, and neither should you.